Hello everyone. Today is January 19th, 2025, a day that marks my 45th birthday. It's a little hard to believe I've reached this milestone already, but here I am, reflecting on how far I've come and how grateful I am for the journey so far. My story begins in Dej, Romania, where I was born. I spent my childhood there, surrounded by family and friends. Even though life later took me on a much longer journey, 15 years in the United States, then a return to Romania, and eventually settling here in UK. The sense of home and belonging I found in my hometown has stayed with me forever. I'm thankful for the values my family instilled in me, especially those I learned from my father despite of his health struggles, and my grandmother who still lives back home. Their resilience has shaped who I am. I also have family in Italy, where my mother lives in a small village near Turin, and I feel extremely fortunate to be connected to so many places around the world. My academic journey, if you will, took me to Liverpool John Moores University, where I earned a bachelor's degree in computer science, focusing on the multimedia computing aspects. That was a significant milestone for me, one that I will always look back on with some sort of pride. After graduating, I found my professional footing at Amazon, working as an IT technician, engineer in Man 2. It's been an exciting path so far, learning, growing, meeting diverse people along the way. I'm looking forward to more opportunities to advance in my career and keep challenging myself to reach new heights, obviously. Living in multiple countries, especially after spending all those years in the US before coming back to Romania and then moving here to the UK, I think it broadened my perspective and given me a deeper appreciation for different cultures. It taught me adaptability, open-mindedness, and the importance of building a community wherever I go. I see that as one of my biggest achievements, embracing change, thriving in new environments, and so on. As I enter this new chapter at 45, I'm definitely feeling more driven than ever. I want to keep growing professionally, deepen my relationships with family and friends, and find that someone special who shares the same values as me, someone I can build a life with. Establishing a family and buying a home are big goals on my horizon, and I'm really excited about the possibilities. Birthdays remind us how quickly time passes, but on the other hand, there are also moments to pause and dream about what's to come. I'm proud of the path I've walked so far, especially earning my degree and my IT career so far, and living in multiple countries. And I'm looking forward for the next challenges in the next chapter. At 45, there's so much to be grateful for, yet so much left to discover. Thank you for being part of my journey, and here's to the future. May it bring even more growth, discovery, and joy. Thank you for watching and for celebrating my 45th birthday with me. Cheers to the adventure ahead.